knew it was going to be a good morning. Thank God.
Did you get it done?
Yeah, I got it done.
Fucking finally got it done.
I called him right to me.
Oh, you called him?
Yeah, I was hitting the fucking grunt. And they came right up out of the road. Woods 3 down.
Really? Good ones?
They looked good.
Oh, yeah.
She's right here. Yeah, she didn't go. Not another step. I called those other two about 3 or 4 times and they just believed. And every time I went, I didn't know the shot.
Hell yeah.
Fucking pile.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hold her up.
She didn't take another fucking step, dude.
That's badass right there.
Fucking dropped her. I thought she was gonna see me. I can't believe I fucking told them. They came up right there. I heard them moving. And I was looking because I was expecting a buck. I was just left 3 dogs coming right towards me. After I hit, it was right after I hit that last one. And then as you were walking up, right before you walked up, I heard something snort at me over here. That's why I was hitting the call.
What is a pig or something? Them pigs have been.
But it was across, whatever it was across the creek. I got it pissed off. I never saw him though.
We can fucking do a fucking little closeout interview. Get you 30-30 with that. Get a couple pictures and then we can make our way around. We can go to the north side, try to get a buck down for you. Double up on them. Do whatever.
Don't matter.
We can just fuck with her, take her to the H&L, we can do whatever you want to do. If you want to go try to kill some horns or knock down another doe, you got
another doe were gonna come back. I got them right there.
You got one more doe tag.
I got them right there.
I'll say you have one more doe tag. We can just fucking wander, try to smack you your second doe. I'll get you some extra meat.
Fuck yeah, that was a good shot.
Oh yeah. Man.
You're so worried that ranch. I had to wait on it because I was worried that ranch was gonna be in the way of the shot.
Dude, I'm cutting that motherfucking branch at the end of the season.
Well, I mean, I could have shot it. I could have shot it back here. I just wouldn't have got it on camera.
Yeah.
It's like that other one. When I called her back in, she stood right over here in that opening, blowing at me. I could have smacked her again too, but I wouldn't have got it on camera. So I just waited. She didn't know where I was at. She fucking, I watched her, she stopped in front, flew at me, threw it down to the doe, and I just hit the call ladder.
Day 2 of rifle season.
Shit.
Josh out here bloodthirsty, smacking them. We may go try to get another doe, feel a second doe tag, may wander into a buck, who knows. But we'll bring you along for whatever that happens. Any words for the people?
Just want to thank God for giving me the opportunity to harvest beautiful doe.
There you have it, folks. We'll see what happens.